how to get notification of your Facebook update on Facebook. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just make sure that you like and subscribe in our channel. So let's start. First, you'll just go and open your Facebook, and then when your Facebook is opening, you will just go here to this three line. Then you will go to settings and privacy. Then you will go to settings, and after this you will go to media option, and you will go down to updates. Click, and you will find here notification Facebook updates available. You will now turn on this option by clicking here, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.